Hey guys, this is Justin at Shock Therapy once again, and I'm here to show you how to install a PRP center storage bag in a Honda Talon 1000R and X. There's very little storage inside these Hondas, and the extra storage from the center bag will give you the ability to carry more of the important items that you need on your trips. It's a very easy installation, and Lauren is going to show us how to put that in.
When installing the center bag, first remove the center console plastic cover. With the center console piece removed, you have access to the bottom of it where you're going to hook the lower bag mounts. With these hooks in place, you can install the plastic cover once again, and finally install the upper Velcro straps to the cage. Just like that, you're done.
As we said, that's a very easy installation. As a matter of fact, you can take it in and out of the car very quickly if you want to monitor all the things that are inside that storage bag from inside the trailer. The strength of this bag shows with its marine grade vinyl and the stress that we put it through in our shop car while pre-running the Baja 500. For more great storage solutions for your Honda, visit prpseats.com.